Hello there, I'm Sharon Abaud, immigration attorney in Los Angeles, California. Today I'm going to answer a very frequently asked question, and that is, can you petition for your step-parent or stepchild? Stay tuned. Before I get started, I'd like to remind you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notification every time I upload a new video. That way you can stay informed on possibilities you may have to immigrate, and don't forget to share so that you can share the knowledge with all your loved ones. So to answer your question, and this common question that I receive of whether you can petition for a step-parent or stepchild, well, the answer is yes. But there is one important key information that you need to know and that I would ask you to find out. That is, how old was the stepchild when step-parent and biological parent got married? If the stepchild was 18 years old, then we cannot file a petition as a step-parent or stepchild. If the stepchild was 17 years of age or younger, then we can go ahead and have step-parent file for child or stepchild file for parent when stepchild turns 21. But the key is, how old was stepchild when step-parent and biological parent got married? Now, once we resolve that key issue, if you qualify because the stepchild was 17 years old, let's say, when mom and stepdad got married, now stepdad can petition for his stepchild, but all the same rules apply. And if you've been watching my other videos, you know that the analysis doesn't end there. We need to find out if the individual is going to immigrate here in the United States or if we're going to have to immigrate them abroad. We're going to have to know if there's waivers, but all of those same rules apply as to stepchild or step-parent as would to a parent and biological child. I always like to share this really cool story of, one time I had this client come in and she was super excited because she had just married her husband and they were so in love and happy. And she wanted to know, if her child could immigrate as well. I went ahead and looked at the marriage certificate and the birth certificate of the daughter, and I realized that daughter, who already turned 18, but at the time that the parents got married, or the stepdad and mom got married, the daughter was still 17. And so even though daughter was now 18, stepdad could go ahead and petition for her stepchild. So that was really cool. And in this case, that was important because for some reason, I wouldn't, I'm not going to go into details about that, but mom couldn't qualify to immigrate through her spouse, but the stepdad could still petition for his stepdaughter. So that was really cool, and I love that story. It gives me chills because they didn't even plan it. They just got married in a certain month, and then a couple weeks later, they just got married right at the exact time. If they had gotten married 1 month or so later, she would not have qualified to do this anymore. So it's one of those chill stories that always get to me, and I think I'll never forget. Anyway, I hope this answered your question. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications of my future videos, and don't forget to share so that someone you know can benefit from this information. I really hope that this information helped you. I'd also like to remind you that I have a Facebook Live show in English every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Go ahead and like and follow me on Facebook. That way you receive notification when I am live, and there I answer all your questions live. So that's the perfect place to go with your questions so that I can answer it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, take care.